Hi guys, thank you for joining us on the 0 to 100k challenge. Now, we have not posted a video for over a month now, and there's a very good reason for that. And it's not a good one. We basically got sidetracked, we got busy, our Amazon business has been doing really well, so we had to put some time and effort into that. We've also launched a new course. Now, all of these things I'm giving you are excuses, but they're reality as well. So we know you're going to get busy, we know things are going to drop off the radar, we know sometimes this isn't going to be the top priority. Now, we want to focus on it and make it that. So we're going to relight a fire under it. We are going to be posting more updates and more strategies for you. We appreciate all of the love this has been given so far. We have well over 300 subscribers now, so thank you so much. We are going to keep doing this. We are in this challenge together. And just because we've had 30 days where we've not had much traction, it doesn't mean we've been doing nothing. It just means it's slowed right down. Now, we've cleared the decks, we've got everything ready, and we're going to push through as much as we can with this. So I'll give you an update as to where we are. In future, we are going to be sharing a lot more content on social media as well. So on TikTok and on Instagram, we're going to be sharing behind the scenes, the deals as we do them. So I'd very much recommend that you that you like those platforms and follow us on there. So I'll share those for you below, and I'll also put some links in the bio so you can click those and easily follow and subscribe. So let's get stuck in. Today we have updated our transaction tracker. Now, everything that you can see in green is stuff that we have sold, money in the bank, and we're starting to use that on our wholesale to retail, which was the strategy that we taught you last time. Anything in blue is what I have listed today. So I've spent today just going through all the boxes, relisting it, making sure it's available for sale so we can start to get some more cash into the business. And then anything in white is yet to go on, so that's tomorrow's task. So all of those things still have to be done. But what we're going to focus this update on is not about the money that we've made and the stuff that we're listing. It's going to be the deals that we've already done under wholesale to retail to give you an idea of the sort of money that can be made. Now, these are the most random items, but these are things I found when I had 5 or 10 minutes spare. I followed them on eBay, and then I just snipe a bid. So right at the end, just before it cuts out, I put my bids in to see what was the best price I could get for it. I've lost loads of them, so I've probably bid on 10 things and I've won 3. But the 3 that we have won have been pretty good. So these are the ones down here. Now, this is the first one. This is a Kemper knee pad. Now, it's a brand that exists on Amazon. I don't actually know if it's a brand in general, but what it is an indoor knee support for sport. Various different sporting things, but it's a medium size. We purchased these for $9.99 for 8 of them, and they retail for about £10 online, or maybe more, $12.99 I think for some of them. We're listing these for quick sale at £6.50 on eBay plus postage. So the postage is a bit over egg, so we'll probably end up with about £5 profit on each. We only paid $9.99, so 5 times 8, £40. We're going to make about £30 profit on them, maybe a little bit more if we can squeeze it a little bit harder. The next one is probably the worst deal we've done. We'll go through this one, which is the Christmas lights. Now, it's just a box. There's nothing really to show you, but I do have the example loaded up here. Now, these are sort of ball Christmas lights. They can be either plugged into a USB plug or they can be solar. Now, they sell on Amazon for $9.99. Yeah, they are. And these are 9 metre long ones. I think these are the same, 8 metre long. It's coming up to Christmas. These will sell, but we got them at a shocking price. So I got trigger happy, like all eBayers do at one point in their life, and I purchased 11 sets for $62.99. Now, we're going to try and sell them for £10 online. It'll be a bit of a slow burner, but because they're Christmas lights and because they're outdoor lights, we're hoping they go over winter while it's a bit darker, that people get a bit more use out of them. So obviously, I don't need to calculate, but for £10, we've got 11 sets, so £110, and that'll be about £50 profit if we sell the lot at that price. Now, I think we probably won't. I think we'll have to drop the price a little bit. So hopefully we'll make about £30 to £40. So well under the ROI that we were seeing of like that 1,000 or 2,000% in the early days. It's starting to squeeze a little bit now. But worst case scenario, we make 30 quid, or even if we break even on it, it's not the end of the world. But ideally, there's £50 profit in that. So we've got boxes of those. And then this is probably the best one that we've had. And again, we missed an opportunity here because we were busy doing other things. If we had these listed, these are LED tea lights. For Halloween, they would have sold like hotcakes because people don't want to put in normal candles into pumpkins for obvious reasons. You probably don't want to be setting fire to kids on your doorstep. So this is what we were selling. We bought them for $32.99, but we got 42 packs. So 42 packs of these in total. And we're going to sell them for about £6. Now, this is again going to be, excuse the pun, a slow burner. These will be a slow burner, but if we do sell them at £6 per lot, this is where I do need a calculator, we'll end up with £252, obviously minus the £32, give or take some if they don't work, and refunds, we're probably looking at about £180 profit there. So that is a very good return on investment for what was just a purchase on eBay that cost us $32.99. Now, like I said, we have been lax with this. So we've gone through the boxes, we're getting up to date, we've got loads more stuff to list as well that I found in my shed and garage. It's coming up to Christmas, so we aren't going to be going through the kids' toys, getting rid of stuff, putting it on Facebook Marketplace. Might even do a car boot sale, and if we do, we'll share that with you. But the whole idea is just to get stuck back in. So apologies that it's been over a month, but for good reason. There's some other good stuff coming. If you follow us on social media, you'll be seeing that as well. Please do like and follow our Instagram and TikTok channels, because you will be seeing the strategies head on face to face. We will do YouTube videos about them, but they obviously take a little bit longer to produce. They take more sort of dedicated time for me in the office. But the Instagram and TikTok is where you'll see like the day-to-day of what we're getting up to and behind the scenes. So like I said, on screen now, please type those in and follow them. We'll also put the link in the bio to make it easier for you. Do get stuck in, and please like and comment with anything that you want to know. I'm sure there's some questions out there, and equally share some of your successes with us as well. We'd love to know like what was the best thing you bought, and also what was the most random that made money. So again, thank you very much. Babbling on at the end there, but we will be tuned back into this. We're getting stuck in, and hopefully by Christmas we can crack that £1,000 mark. That's the aim. To try and make £1,000 by Christmas, so we can get into the new year and really get stuck into some of the meatier strategies that we will be sharing with you. So see you again soon, and thank you again.